our main job and priority is our customers and ensuring that they're receiving the most value out of the platform possible. So it's taking a step back, again, understanding what the goals of the customer and the priorities are for that specific customer, and then being able to work with them and partner with them together to ensure they understand the best insights and the best data available to them and their business objectives. We also conduct business reviews on a yearly basis with our customers, where we invite their leadership teams to participate in that conversation. We will highlight successes that we've been able to accomplish and partner with the team with, as well as be able to provide those data insights, reports, maybe opportunity areas of improvement and recommendations. By understanding the customer's goals and business objectives. By understanding those, our customer success managers can help gravitate to a specific part of the platform and pull that specific reporting that is needed to make those business decisions and help with, capital planning, ROI, everything that's important to our customers. Customer feedback is everything to us. That is how we continue to build on our own platform. That's how we continue to be successful from the customer success management team. So voice of the customer is extremely important. We are always asking customers for feedback, whether that's in touch bases or on a more formal VOC type of environment. That's maybe specific feedback on our module or specific feedback on the overall ServiceChannel experience. And so we take our customer feedback extremely seriously, and we do pride ourselves in making sure that our customer comes first. The customer journey begins with our incredible implementation team. They are there to support our customer through that transition from one software to the next. Honestly, they build that true foundation for our customers in order to ensure that they can move forward and optimize, all of the other features and exciting optimization tools that come after you build your foundation. ServiceChannel helps our customers through the asset management lifecycle by supporting them through strategy sessions and ensuring that they have all the information they need in order to make educated decisions. Through conversation with anyone from ServiceChannel, you are going to see that the customer comes first. We want you to optimize ServiceChannel, but we also want to save you time and money and give you the best brand image possible. All of the things that are your goals, we make our goals. My team comes from the facilities background. I come from co-location. So I'm constantly learning and continuing to learn about facilities and about what's important to our customers. And with that further knowledge, I feel like I'm becoming more of an expert as well. But I wouldn't know that without learning from my team's past experiences, as well as being able to talk to the customers as well and learn from them.